had your breakfast already?
Yes, how's it going? Yeah, fun, mine. Yeah, how you doing?
Good. Yo!
Oh, yes, you got a film going?
Yeah, gonna document the day.
Nice. Yeah, I've got your breakfast on the way.
Oh, nice.
You got Guinness there as well.
Perfect. Cheers!
Cheers!
Good stuff.
Alright guys, how are we doing? All good mate, all good.
How you doing, Nicholson?
Yeah, not too bad, how are you?
Good,
Are you
good.
filming, yeah?
Yeah, I got my action camera out. The unofficial wedding video.
Yes.
Let's go. Awesome.
Yeah.
I was at work, I came home.
I sat there and I was just chatting to him, and he just all of a sudden just turned around and threw up on the floor on my carpet.
You're in your
the living room.
30s,
I was like,
get to a toilet. Not a beetroot cider, I can't lie.
Beetroot cider.
I'm gonna have a beetroot cider, it sounds great.
Beetroots are alright, but they're a bit soily.
It just tastes like putting your face
mate,
in
it just
dirt.
tastes soil. Yeah, beetroot just tastes like dirt.
soil. Yeah. Pickled cabbage is good as well.
Shit, I should have done my shoes. I should have done my shoes up before I did the. Oh
You've not done your shoes on?
no, the one.
One, yeah.
They said
Yeah,
they
well,
want
I
you
can't-
see, they
we've
want you
got 40
seated by
minutes.
10.
I can
Ten
fit
yeah.
in an Aperol Spritz and a beer, maybe.
Oh,
Now
wow.
you're talking my language.
That's a wedding drink.
The
I
wedding
remember when
for-
you were
the
drinking
wed-
at Bond's wedding. I was like,
Yeah.
that's nice as fuck.
Just like, yes, this is the
I'm
one.
going to Italy on Friday, so I'll be having quite a few of them there.
Oh, we're going on Tuesday.
Whereabouts?
Just Milan for a few days.
going
before we
guess-
go.
guess who's-
Macedonia.
You
Right.
seem like the
you know
world
when I
has
asked you
been
the
the
other
past few
day,
weeks,
you know
haven't
where,
Nice.
you know when I asked you the other day about what time our flight was?
Yeah.
Nick and Ariana are going to Milan on the same day, but they're getting the later flight.
Thank you so much.
Cheers,
mate. Thank you very much.
Cheers, buddy. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, did Nicholson leave what? Alright, thank you, my mate. Thank you. Oh my gosh, how you doing?
And we're all into the venue now.
I think everyone's over there.
Venue's over there. Good to see you. How's it going?
I'm alright, thanks.
Oh, this is very British, isn't it? I got the.
Have you got it?
Not got my shoes up.
I feel like. Oh no. Oh gosh. Wow.
Oh, it's so cute.
Hello, Jaime. How are you doing? I didn't see you there. How's
You
it
alright?
going?
Yeah, very well. Is that a St Ambrose tie?
It is, yeah, I got the school tie.
No way.
It was this or a grey one I wear all the time,
Fair
so I
enough.
thought,
Yeah,
oh,
good.
wow, it is.
That's beautiful.
The hair is soaking wet now.
Ah, I can see. Oh. Right.
Let's have a look.
Oh, here he is.
Have you got a St Ambrose tie? Have you done that? I spotted that straight away.
Skate morning.
Yeah, I was skating.
I thought you said caving then. I thought he's telling everyone a different story, innit?
No, it's skating. I mean, caving.
That sounds like a better idea.
Yeah, caving does sound
Yeah,
cooler.
should we do that?
Oh, this is a bit nifty, isn't it?
I say the funny thing is as well, my brother's getting married here 2.5 weeks later.
Oh wow, the same place.
Same place.
Out in Mobley. So where do you guys sit in? Where are you guys sitting?
Oh, I don't know, bro. Let's go there.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Hello. Oh yeah.
Seb, is that your Ambrose time?
Yeah, it is my
Is it, are you recording on live? Why does Seb have a beer and we do not?
He's a renegade.
No.
He lives without rules.
I feel like there's a two-tiered
this
drinking
sometimes.
policy here. There's a two-tiered policing system here. I was told no drinks.
Oh really? I just walked in with it, so I don't really know.
I've seen other people walk in. I should have got another drink.
Am I the only one with a drink?
We are gathered here today to honour the union of Florence and Christian, which we will mark with a beautiful and ancient tradition of hand fasting. This timeless ceremony symbolises the joining of lives and a commitment to walk a shared path together. The hand fasting ceremony is one of the oldest known marriage unity rituals and is in fact the origin of the phrase tying the knot. I invite you now to make your vows to one another. As we knot this cord, we weave together your hopes, dreams and destinies. With each knot, you strengthen your bond. To face the unknown side by side, in sickness and in health, through the happy times and the hardships. Do you pledge protection and support for one another? And do you vow always to practice loyalty, kindness and understanding? As a symbol of your respective families' blessings, I now invite Lindsay Fagan and Charles Hickson to tie the second knot. And for the final knot, I now ask all friends and family here present to make their own promise to Florence and Christian in their unity. The promise of ongoing love, support and friendship for this special couple. I now ask John T. Rush to tie the final knot on behalf of everyone here today as a beacon of this promise. Thank you all. Florence, Christian, you may now release each other's hands to strengthen the knot and to allow for the exchanging of rings. Now that the binding ceremony is complete, it's time to seal your bond. Well, I have to take that back now, couldn't I? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the folder holder. Now that the binding ceremony is complete, it's time to seal your bond with the exchange of rings. The ring has a special significance within pagan and Celtic culture. It is a symbol of unbrokenness and the everlasting. Florence, please will you place the ring onto Christian's finger and share your vows.
Christian, here we are, 7 years in the making. 7 years ago, we met in a place some have described as a wretched hive of scum and villainy, also known as Deansgate Locks. She immediately moved into my flat share without any real discussion, and the rest is history. Every day since the day I met you, you've made me laugh, smile, and immeasurably happy. Thank you for supporting me in all my ridiculous ideas, including 4 new jobs, a career change, and buying a house you hadn't laid eyes on. I promise to be an absolutely fantastic wife, just like I've been an absolutely fantastic girlfriend. I promise to demonstrate kindness, understanding and patience, especially surrounding your creative outlets, such as the harmonica collection. I could offer you more promises and declarations of love, but it would never be enough. As you've heard me say, I believe actions speak louder than words, so I promise to demonstrate my love to you each and every single day for the rest of our lives.
Florence and Christian, you have tied the knot, exchanged rings, and made your vows to each other. In accordance with the traditional hand fasting ceremony, I can now pronounce you husband and wife.